Alright, you can see on this particular screen, this is the home page for HeyGen AI. And what you can see is that there are multiple features that you can use for the creation of this particular AI generated video over here on this platform. You can see this thing. This is the dashboard, particularly my avatar over here, my voice, which uses the 11 labs for the creation of AI voice cloning. And this is my look for a particular video creation that I used earlier. You can see all the videos that has been created on the left hand side panel over here. And I'm currently using the creators plan right now. And you can see this particular subscription sort of thing that has been given over here on this platform. The creator plan provides you particularly 600 tokens in which you can create fabulous, like ultimately good AI generated videos. And today I will be just demonstrating you with the AI avatar creation. Many people create some of the videos for fun, and today I'll be using it for a creation of my client's work, that I'll be demonstrating how you can create a particular uh, AI avatar and can demonstrate whatever the script is demanding you to create. So I'll just walk you through the process, and then let's see how the output will be. Now what I need to do is I need to create an avatar, right? So on the left hand side panel you can see this button that says avatar. Just click on it. You'll see that there are multiple avatars over there, and you can create a new one as well. So just click on this new avatar button over here, and you will be rendered to this particular page that says create a new avatar and clone a real person and create a virtual character. So my client is obviously a real person, so I would be using this one. And you can clone, like create a virtual character as well, that would be for your like with you with your avatar, and you can create multiple videos on your Instagram or whatever you are creating to sell. uh, so I'm using this one. This option is called as Avatar 5, that creates a real look. If I'm creating it for myself, I'll be using it this particular camera section and all. I will be recording something. I'll be using my phone and all. But like I'm creating it for my client, so I have my client's recording that I'll be uploading it over here. So particularly you require a 1 minute audio and a 45 second to 1 minute of video speaking of the client or speaking of the person you are willing to create an avatar for, right? So you can see on this particular screen as well, I am over here and in the screen as well. So you can just click on this I am ready part, and you can just start recording if you are willing to create your video. But I have some footages of my client and some voice of my client. I'll be just uploading that part so that it creates the avatar for him, and then I'll be just providing you with providing this thing with the script, and then just simply clicking on enter. So just wait and watch how it's demonstrated. So I'll just click on this upload a footage over here. So you see this particular thing that I'm uploading my client's video or footage. You can see the client need to be in a position that I'm sitting in right now. So he's in the same exact position. You need to be clear with your voice and everything, because the agent understands and like takes the voice that particularly is required to attain the exact gesture or the voice, or like clone your exact self, right? So I just created this thing. I'll name it client, right? And I'll just click on create avatar. Okay, so you see that it provides you with the outfits or poses or settings behind the background, whatever you want to create it for. So I'll just skip it for now because I have my own script and ideation in my mind, so I have to create that, right? All right, so I'll just play this footage voice for you.
नमस्ते, मैं उत्साहित हूं कि आप यहाँ हैं। ये आपका वॉइस क्लोन पूर्वावलोकन है, तुरंत सुनें।
So it extracted the Hindi from that part because the client spoke in Hindi, and it's exactly the voice of the client. So because I have met him in person multiple times, and this is the exact voice he have. But on the new feature, on the new note, you can see this thing, new voice recommended. It's recommended that you clone a particular voice, record a particular voice of your own, and upload it over here, and you will be getting three options, and you can hear that which one is sounding much better for your avatar video creation. So I'll just use with this one as well, and let me see if I can upload. Yes, this is there is an upload option right there. I'll just click on the upload button, and I have a video, like audio of this particular client as well. So I'm uploading the mp3 voice over here just by clicking open. So this is a 1.35 minutes of video over here, right? And I'll just click on create clone. So it will just generate three voices that are generated from the three different voice LLM models, and whichever one I will find the best one that is sounding exactly like my client, I'll just use that one, right? And it's also giving you the name of the LLM models that it is being used, like that is being used for creating this voice. So 11 labs v3, and this is Cartesia. All right, I'll just listen all the three.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview.
Second one.
Hi, I'm excited you're here. This is your voice clone preview. Take a quick listen.
Third one.
Take a quick listen. A great voice clone should sound clear, energetic, and just like you.
So like I think that these three models that have generated the audio are not like matching exact voice of my client. So I'll be using it from the extracted video itself, because that's much more clear and that's like much more exact and similar to what my client sound like. So I'll just be using my cloned voice that is extracted from the footage itself. So HeyGen has started creating your avatar now. As you can see on the screen, there is a big logo for HeyGen. It's doing something at the back end, I guess. Let's wait and watch. So after the avatar creation, you will be rendered to this particular page of HeyGen AI. So what it says that is you have to write the script over here, and you can upload the audio and use a script writer as an AI over here integrated over the website. So this particularly says verification required. The avatar needs to be verified at your end, and then you will be able to use this thing particularly for creating any of the videos, right? So you will just be clicking on this particular thing, verify your identity. You need to verify it from your laptop or your phone, whatever is it's asking for, and then you will be verified in a while. It will take some time, and then it will verify, and then you can use your avatar that has been created. All right, so let me just verify this thing, then I'll demonstrate you further how the proceedings are being done. All right, the avatar is ready and the client has verified on its end, because I was not the one. So he need to verify, and he has verified it, and now it says congrats, your avatar is ready. So let me just play this thing and see how it goes.
नमस्ते क्लाइंट, आपका डिजिटल ट्विन तैयार है। आप इसके साथ वीडियो बना सकते हैं। साथ ही अपनी राय बताने के लिए फीडबैक बटन पर क्लिक करें। उम्मीद है कि आपको यह पसंद आएगा।
Nice. So as you can see, the pronunciation is very smooth, very much clear, and this is what not the client is actually. It's AI avatar clone, and it's just looking like a real person who is speaking whatever is given to that according to the script. So this is one of the things that they have provided us by after creating the avatar and everything. So now let us click on next. How do other companies utilize avatar? It has given that, and pro tips for avatar. All right, I got it. So I got everything. Now what I need to do is that use this particular avatar for my script, right? So I'll be using that. So I'll just click on this use in video, and I'll just give quick create or build scene by scene. No, I'll just give a quick create everything, and create with video agent. No, I'll just give it a quick create part. Okay, create a video with your avatar. I just want a film to be shot like this and different background scenes, right? So I'll just click on this thing, start with a script, and there you go. So you have this avatar ready with you. You can upload like video script over here, or type your script or upload your recording over here, and you can just click on generate. It will generate a lot of better quality script than the other unpaid tools, because that is why they are taking so much charge or so much tokens for consumption for creating this sort of video. So yeah, I'll just put down the script over here and then click on generate, and see the results how it goes. Particularly, it will do everything on its own. It will just categorize the background scenes which will be required for building something else, and some other parts as well for categorizing different chunks basically, right? So, and you see this particular thing. So I've written this particular prompt that you take my avatar, you take my audio, you take my brand visuals very carefully, and the logo wherever required, use that particular prompt. And I have given a master prompt, whatever is the script being given by this client. So this is a real estate client, and it has given me for their particular company named GNI Green Nest Infra, and I'll just create it using this particular video agent. And I have given this particular prompt, use the b-rolls, use some background that fits best with the particular master prompt that I have provided to you. And in the master prompt as well, you have to categorize the timeline, that from the 0 second to 15 seconds, this will be the shot. From 15 second to 20 second, this will be the shot. For each single second the token are being utilized, so use proper prompting for giving in this prompt, and so that it utilizes it on a very proper manner, so that they are not wasted anywhere, right? So this is one of the things, and I have written this particular prompt. This is the master prompt, this is the branding part, this is the audio part that I'm using, this is the avatar, and this is the logo. Besides that, this is the planning part, or else you can change it or shift it to autopilot part. And what is the difference in this is that once you click on the autopilot and just click on generate, it will not ask you even a single question. It will just generate anything, not anything, it will just generate in a one go, and it will not ask you any queries or any questions on the particular prompt that you have provided. But on the other hand, we have this planning part. It says I'll ask a few questions, then build your video. So this is much better because you have an ideation in your mind that what are you willing to create, or what is your aspect of creating this particular prompt. Will it be satisfied for the client or not? Will it be satisfied to you or not? So I will just go with the planning part, because I need to see things if they go well with the sync or not. So it will ask me back questions again and again, and it will just render me with the best output that would be possible for me to give. I guess it's good to go. I'll just click on submit button and we'll see the final output. So you see this screen that it has already rendered everything. I was watching it right now. It's like loading in the middle of the screen, just rendering, because that's why it's taking a little bit of time. I'll just curate the whole video and I'll just put it after this particular shot, and you can watch the full 3 minute 40 seconds of video that it has created right now in front of me. And yeah, that is the end of the video. I hope you might like the particular thing that it has generated. It's still rendering. Once it will be loaded fully, I'll just download and put it at the very end. You can also try these amazing AI generated videos by creating your avatars for UGC ads or for pitching to clients on a particular domain. So yeah, that's the end of the HeyGen AI creators plan. It was, and it just generated something very much phenomenal and amazing.
प्रॉपर्टी लेना सिर्फ एक बिजनेस डील नहीं होता, बल्कि हमारी ज़िंदगी के सबसे महत्वपूर्ण फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस में से एक होता है, और इस निर्णय में सही जानकारी और उचित मार्गदर्शन मिलना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। नमस्कार, ग्रीन नेस्ट इंफ्रा में आपका स्वागत है कि अपने पूरे रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंसी जर्नी में हमने लगभग 100% कस्टमर सेटिस्फैक्शन बनाए रखा है, और इसी कारण हम क्वांटिटी नहीं बल्कि क्वालिटी को प्राथमिकता देते हैं।
So yeah, that was the video you saw. That was just very much realistic and amazing, right? And it just generated it with a single master prompt. You just need to guide the particular HeyGen agent in a very perfect manner so that it can curate all the data that is exactly required. So yeah, this was HeyGen AI. I hope you liked it. We kept it short and crisp so that you can understand it in a much better way and implement it in your real life. So all the very best. Keep working.